Hi guys, today we are going to see the notes 2, that is expansions of sine power n theta and cos power n theta as well as the tan power n theta. So for that we have some introduction part, that is cos square theta is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. We know that the formulas. So now cos power n theta and sine power n theta can be expressed in terms of the cosines of multiples of theta or sines of multiples of theta, that is x equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore 1 by x is 1 divided by that term, that is minus will come, so cos theta minus I sin theta. Likewise x plus 1 by x, if you are adding the two terms you will get 2 cos theta, and if you are subtracting the two terms you will get 2i sin theta. Then if you are applying x power n means the whole term up to n, so cos n theta plus I sin n theta, then 1 by means minus will come. Then we are adding x power n plus 1 by x power n is 2 cos n theta, and x power n minus 1 by x power n is 2i sin n theta. This is a common term which we are going to use for all the problems in this section. Now we are going to express the cos power n theta in terms of cosines of multiples of theta. So x plus 1 by x whole power n can be written in the binomial format, that is x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into 1 by n, nc2 plus n x power n minus 2 into 1 by x squared plus and so on. So then we are applying that 1 and 3 in the fifth equation, that is here we are integrating, that is integrating in the sense we are synchronizing the x power n term and x power n minus 2 term and x power n minus 4 term, likewise we are doing here. So we are applying that the previous first equation and the third equation in the fifth term. We have getting the answer is 2 cos theta, that is x plus 1 by x is 2 cos theta, so whole power n. Then here x power n plus 1 by x power n is 2 cos n theta plus nc1 into 2 cos n minus 2 theta and so on. So if you are taking that 1 by 2 power n minus 1 is common, then the remaining term you have to write. So if n is odd, then there is a even number of terms, that is 1 by x plus x power 1 x power whole power n are grasped into 1 by 2 into n plus 1 pairs. If n is even, then n by 2 pairs, that is the middle term is independent of x, that I will show you in the problem, so it will get the better understanding on that. So these are the introduction part, you should know about these thing only, especially this thing you should know about this. This is very very important. And instead of this method we are going to use different method, that is a Pascal's triangles, which is very very easier than this one, so I am going to use that only for you. So let us see the first problem, expand cos power 7 theta. So we are going to expand the cos power 7 theta now. In the previous class, the last class, we had seen the cos n theta, that is we have seen, but here it is a power we are seeing. So cos power n theta or sin power n theta. So let us take x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, as we have seen in the introduction part. So 1 by x is 1 by that term, that is minus will come, cos theta minus I sin theta. Then x power n means this term power n. So cos n theta plus I sin theta, 1 by means the minus will come. So minus, now x plus 1 by x is we are adding the x term as well as the 1 by x term. So cos theta plus I sin theta plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So plus and minus I get cancelled, that is that value get cancelled, so 2 cos theta. Likewise x minus 1 by x is also, after cancelling we are getting 2i sin theta. Now x power n plus 1 by x power n. So x power n is this one, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. 1 by x power n is cos n theta minus I sin n theta. So once we are adding the I sin n theta minus I sin theta get cancelled, so 2 cos n theta will come. Likewise we are doing x power n minus 1 by x power n. Here also x power n is this term, then 1 by x power n we are subtracting, so this will get minus and this will become as plus, so you will get 2i sin theta after cancelling. Now we are going to find the cos power 7 theta, right? So for this, this can be expressed in x plus 1 by x whole power 7, because since it's a cos term, we should use plus here. So x plus 1 by x whole power 7, this is the notation for cos power 7 theta. Suppose if it is a sine value will come, means you have to put minus, okay, that we can see in the next problem. So Pascal's triangles is 1, we can start with 1, then 1, then second step 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1, then 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, then 2 plus 1 is 3, then 1. So that extreme value should be same for all these steps. So see the next step. So 1, then 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. then 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, then 4 plus 1 is 5, then 1, then 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then the balance 1. Then again this side 1, extreme value should be the same. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 6 plus 15 is 21, 15 plus 20 is 35, 20 plus 15 is again 35, 15 plus 6 is 21, 6 plus 1 is 7, then 1. Okay, this is a Pascal triangle. We have to stop up to that 7th step because we are having the power as 7 only. So we can stop up to that. If you are having 6 means you have to stop up to the 6th step. So if it is a 5 means you have to stop up to the 5th step. So now x plus 1 plus x whole power 7 can be expressed as, see the Pascal's triangles of the last step. So it is, we have to start with the power 7. So x power 7, then 7x power 5, then 21x cube, 35x plus, this is should be the reciprocal, 35 by x plus 21 by x cube plus 7 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7. So you should write in this way only. That is odd powers. Power 7, 5, 3, then 1, then again 1 by x, 1 by x cube, 1 by x power 5 and 1 by x power 7. So that we have written the coefficients like this. We have to write like this way only, this method only. Okay, this is the Pascal's triangles. Now synchronize terms, same terms, that is x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7, then 7x power 5 plus 7x by x power 5. So rearrange it, 21x cube plus 21 by x cube, 35x plus 35 by x. Okay, so see the term. So x power 7 first, and then x power 7 term is this one, the two terms, then 7x power 5 and 7 by x power 5. Okay, likewise you have to arrange it. Now here the first term should be same, first two terms, and second and third, fourth term, see here 7 is common, so take the 7 outside and leave the remaining term x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. Likewise the next one, 21 is common, so leave the remaining term. Then 35 can take it as outside again, the last two terms, so x plus 1 by x will come. Now this is 1 plus x plus 1 by x value is 2 cos theta. See here, x plus 1 by x value is 2 cos theta, that is here x plus 1 by x value is 2 cos theta. So 2 cos theta the whole power 7, and this is x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7 is 2 cos 7 theta. Then this is 7 into 2 cos 5 theta, likewise 21 into 2 cos 3 theta, 35 into 2 cos theta, and this is 2 power 7 into cos power 7 theta. We can write like this. Now we can 2 is common in all the terms, so 2 we can take it as outside and leave the remaining term. Then this 2 power term, 7 term should be move on to the next side, that is 2 divided by 2 power 7 into the remaining terms. And if you are cancelling 2 and 2 power 7, you will get 1 by 2 power 6 into the remaining terms. So 2 power 6 can be written as 64. So cos power 7 theta equal to 1 by 64 into the remaining term. You have to write this, ends the problem. Okay, so this is the thing. So and this is a common for up to this step, this is common for all the problem, and then we have to choose Pascal triangle. After that we have to substitute in the given question, depends upon the sine or cos as well as the powers also we have to consider, and then we can substitute all the values and we can easily prove it. It's very very important and very easier also if you understand. Sine theta, next show that 128 sine 8 power theta equal to cos 8 theta minus 8 cos 6 theta plus 28 cos 4 theta minus 56 cos 2 theta plus 35. So as usual, let x is equal to, then 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x, everything you have to find. Likewise up to x power n plus 1 by x power n, x power n minus 1 by x 2 by sin n theta. These are all the things. Now consider x minus 1 by x whole power 8. Already I have told you that it is a sine term, so minus has to come, then whole power 8. Now we are use a Pascal triangle up to 8, you have 8 step you have to do. Now see, it is alternative, it's a sine and 8 power, so we are doing the alternative signs as plus and negative. So how we are doing now? First one plus, then minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Likewise only we should use. So x power 8, then minus 8 x power 6, minus 8 x power 6, plus 28 x power 4, right? Likewise we are doing here also, we are splitting as 8 6 4 power should be like that only. How we have taken the odd terms in the previous problem, likewise here we are taking the even terms 8 6 4 2 likewise. Now again we are synchronizing, that is we are rearranging in that way. X power 8 by 1 by x power 8 minus 8 into x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 28 into x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 minus 56 into x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 70. Okay, see here, if you see one thing, that is, if you notice it, see here the previous problem we had seen the same term, but in this 8th step no, so we'll have the different term, that is 70. So only one term is center term will be different, the remaining terms are the same. See, it should be occur only in the even number of powers. See, the even number power is 8 here, right? It's a even number, so it's a power is a even number power. If you are having like this, then it will be the center term will be different, and the remaining both the extremes should be the same. So if you see the sixth term, see here, see 20, right, center term, and this is 1561 1561. Okay, only that even terms should be in the center term is the unique. Now x minus 1 by x is 2i sin theta, which we have seen in the here, this one here, 2i sin theta. Okay, so there we are using here, and here also, so 2 cos 8 theta minus 8 over 6 theta, as usual like the previous problem we can write and cancel it, get the answer as 128 sin power 8 theta equal to this term, the right hand side. Okay, so got the answer. Next question, 32 sin power 4 theta cos power square theta equal to cos 6 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta cos 2 theta plus 2. Here also as usual up to x power n minus 1, this should be same for all the problems. But here we have taken is two terms they have given in the question, that is sine as well as the cos, both terms, and sine should be in the power of 4 and cos should be in the power of 2. So both are even. Okay, so just write it there. And this is a cos term, second one, so we are using plus, and this is sine term, so we are using minus. Now Pascal triangle we are using. So it's one is a minus, another one is a plus. So how the Pascal triangles plays here? See, 1 as usual, 1 1, you can start with 1 2 1, then as usual 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, then 1. Then the fourth step, see here, because it starts the value as power as 4, so the changes will be starting from the fourth step only. See, 1 plus 3, actually 4 has to come, right? So 4 you have to write, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, then 1. But here alternative sign we are changing, because in the fourth step only the power changes. So from this to this it's changing. So fourth step. So we are doing the alternative sign, plus minus plus minus plus. Okay. Now we can use this, the same thing, plus minus 1. Now we can do with that thing. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, then 1. Okay. Again 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, then 2 plus 2 4, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, then 1. Okay, now we have to stop up to this step, because 1 2 3 4 5 6, total is 4 plus 2 is 6 only. So 6 steps we have taken, that's it. Okay, now take the last step. So this is 1 x power 6, because it's a power 6 if you are adding. So x power 6 minus 2 into x power 4 minus x squared plus 4 minus 1 by x squared minus 2 by x power 4 plus 1 by x power 6. Again we are segregating x power 6 term and then x power 4 term. So you have to apply that thing, that is 2 cos 6 theta here plus term, so 2 cos 4 theta. So here also 2 cos, but here it's minus, so 2i sin theta, and here is a plus, so 2 cos theta. So just power, just next cancelling both sides, we will get the answer. If you are reducing this, we will get the answer. Okay, so 2 sums I have given as a homework. It's an important thing, please try it today itself. Okay, and check it over there, that is cos power 5 theta equal to this one. Proof that question only. This is, if you want answer, just approach me. Sin power 8 theta in the series of cosines of multiples. See here, we have to write the sin power 8 theta in the series of cosine. The answer should be in the cosine terms. That is very, very important. Okay, hope you understand. Thanks for watching.